If you can see your drive in Disk Management, but not showing up in Windows Explorer, you need to take some methods to make it visible again. The first method is Update or Reinstall Drivers. Right-click the Start menu and click Device Manager. Find Disk Drives and right-click on it. Choose Update Driver. If updating the driver doesn't work, you can click Uninstall Device. Choose Search automatically for drivers. Windows will search for the best available driver and install it automatically. Next method is Troubleshoot Devices and Hardware. Type CMD in the search bar and open it. Input the command to launch the troubleshooter. Click Advanced and tick Apply Repairs automatically. Then click Next. After the scan is finished, you can check the detailed information to find potential issues. Next method, assign a drive letter. If your hard drive has no drive letter or has a letter conflict with another drive, then it cannot be recognized by Windows. In this case, you need to assign a drive letter to fix it. Right-click the Start menu and choose Disk Management. Right-click on the external hard drive and choose Change Drive Letter and Paths. Click Add. If you have a drive letter before, please click Change. Next method, allocate the drive. If your drive is unallocated, it cannot be recognized either. You can allocate it in Disk Management. Right-click on the unallocated drive and choose New Simple Volume. Follow the wizard to complete the steps. Next method, format the drive. When your external hard drive shows RAW in Disk Management, it means there is a file system error with the drive. In this case, you can format the external hard drive to a feasible file system. Formatting a hard drive will cause data loss. Thanks for watching till here. I'll see you in the next 2 videos. If you have any questions, please leave comments or email us.